Hello and welcome. This is Ishmael Zadi, and today I'm going to talk about file filtering in JFileChooser. Let me demonstrate what I'm going to do. Demonstrate what to demonstrate. Okay, basically, we want to create a file filter which displays any of these formats, image formats like GIF, JPEG, and PNG. So so create a new class, and I'm going to import the file Java IO file semicolon, and we want to import the file filter. Import Java X swing dot file chooser. Okay, so we want to inherit all the properties from file filter. So we go extends file filter. Okay. It's complaining because it's expecting two methods, one of type boolean, one boolean and one string. So don't worry about that. Private string, declaring two variables. String image format equals. I'm going to go for GIF format. GIF. You can do anything you want. And we want to declare a char. Char is obviously going to be the dot index. Okay, equals dot. Okay, we want to start with the boolean method. So public boolean except we want to pass the parameter file f. So this is just to check if the extension is true, if the directory is true. So let's start with the directory. If f is a directory, then return true. Okay, it's expecting another return. If this is for the extension. We didn't declare the extension method, but we're going to declare it. Okay, extension f dot equals ignore case. Case, this basically ignores the capital letters. You just ignore it. Image format. Okay. Return. If it's true, if the extension does equal that, then we want to view it. Else, return false. Okay. Now we want to declare the string method. String public. What's wrong with me? Public string get description. We want to it basically renames the file filter, so we're going to go return GIF formats only. Okay, so when we execute the code, it would show that as the filter, so you just select it and it'll just show the GIF. Okay, so now we want to declare the extension. Public. It's going slow again. Hurry up. Okay, public. Should be okay. All right, taking its time. Maybe I overclocked it or something. Public string extension file. Sorry, I was interrupted. File. I'm going to pass in the file parameter. File f. Okay. So yeah, we're going to declare two variables: string file name. So file. So let's go f get name. So we get the name of the file, and basically we're just going to scan the living life out of it, if that makes sense. Int index file, file name dot last index of, basically it's going to get the name of the file is going to get its last character, which is the dot. What the fudge? Dot semicolon. If statement, we're going to create an if statement so we can get everything after the dot. So if index file is bigger than 0 and index file smaller than file name dot length. Okay, -1. So this is if the statement is not true, just view the dot, which we don't want that to happen. So return file name dot substring index file +1. So +1 would get everything after the dot. Okay, so semicolon there, else if not return blank. Okay, so now what we need to do is declare it in our main body. Here's everything that I imported and the code. So I set it to this directory and I set the title, select image. Okay, so chooser dot set file filter. Next time I'm just going to type it down rather than just wait for the compiler to get out for me. Seriously. Okay, took 3.5 years. New, we want to get our class name, so you have to type that in, whatever you named your class. File filter tut. Okay, so hopefully everything should be working accordingly. Okay, so it worked. So yeah, that's it. We've used the GIF format. If you wish to do it for the JPEG, you just create a new class and you extend from the file filter, so you don't need to import and stuff like that. And yeah, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you understood everything, and if you haven't, then please leave a comment below. And yeah, stay tuned and I'll be making more Java tutorials. See ya.